Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a hotel reservation online on the booking.com. So here I've already opened the booking.com. So if you want to reserve a hotel or book a hotel, you need to first create an account on booking.com. So you can just tap on registers in here, and you can choose to sign up with email address, your Google account, Apple ID, or just Facebook. So I'm going to just use my Google account. Okay, so I've already registered now. I've already signed in, and what you need to do here is just scroll down and choose the destination or where you are going to book a hotel. For example, I'm going to just go with Jakarta in here and choose your check-in and check-out date. So I'm going to go with, for example, next week's. Let's try 25 and also 26, and choose how many people will occupy the room and tap on search, and just wait until the result come out, and you can just find the hotels that is right for your budgets, and just choose one of them or check on the see availability first. Okay, scroll down again, and you'll see like the details and everything, and here you'll see the room type, number of guests, and today's price and everything. You can see the facility and the prices also, and if you are confirmed to book it, you can just tap on I'll reserve. Okay, so choose this room first. I'm going to go with one and tap on I'll reserve. And now what you need to do is just add your details such as your name, your emails, your phone number, and then here you can, who are you booking for? I'm the main guest, or if you're booking for someone else, you can just choose this, and this is optional, but you can skip that question. Here you can also just fill in your guest name, and if you want to add on, you can choose in here. For example, you need a fly for your trip or airport shuttle and everything. Okay, now you can just tap on next after that, and you can just proceed with the payments, and your reservations will be booked. So that's how you can reserve a hotel from booking.com. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.